Good day, everyone. My name is Chauke Hlayiseka, a student at Unisa University. Today, I'm going to be doing a presentation that is very essential, that is very important uh, for our learners to grab something in a teaching and learning environment. So a tool I have created a tool that will assist in the teaching and learning. So, as you all know, that I'm very creative. Didn't you know? If you didn't know, you'll know today. Let me show you. Okay. Um, this is the tool that I've created. Uh, these are the legs. It's a wheel. It's a spinning wheel. I think you are mostly familiar with this from shopping centers, workplaces. Mostly, the first time I saw this, it was in a workplace where, as employees, would spin the wheel, and then we get prizes, stuff like that. Yeah, we get the rewards and stuff. So this is a mathematics wheel. And then this arrow shows where what the answer is after spinning. Now, let me put this away for now, and then I'll explain a bit of why I came with the idea of a wheel. Now, a wheel is fun. Like it's very fun to spin. Like you give your all. Like you spin, and then you wait patiently to check if you are the winner, or if after spinning you get that arrow will pinpoint your desirable section or your desirable point. That's the funny part. And then you get to uh, the first time I was using this wheel, even my heart was like boom, 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 in a way that I felt like, yeah, I'm nervous. I wonder what the answer will be. So in a classroom, if as a teacher, I bring this to a classroom, now I can sense the environment. I can even picture it now. The environment, it will be full of excitement. Everyone wants to have a piece of that of the wheel. Everyone wants to get a chance to spin and see if they are lucky or unlucky, right? So, but then in this scenario, I've created this wheel. There are sections where there are numbers, four numbers of multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. It's four numbers now, like four numbers. I'll just show you to you now. And then there's another section where it says unlucky student. Unlucky student, please try again. Now, what does it mean when an arrow shows where it says unlucky student, please try again? It basically means that as a chosen member of that particular group that has been selected by your group, because we'll formulate groups, and then every member will represent each group in the classroom. So if it says unlucky member, unlucky student, please try again. It basically means that you have to go back, and then you the group selects another representative to come and spin the wheel, so that we can engage in numbers, and then we don't waste time. You understand? Now, um, again, if the wheel stops, if the arrow pinpoints where there are numbers to be solved by the group, those four numbers needs to be solved by the group. The whole group needs to engage. They need to participate, and then make sure everyone is on a learning on a learning gear, because it brings the atmosphere, it revives everyone to engage. Now let me show you again. Now you see I have colored the most sections. This section, it says unlucky student, please try again. And then this section, that is where the numbers are. Let me see. It says 5 multiplied by 6, 43 minus 7, 28 divided by 4, 97 plus 8. So in the case where these numbers are pinpointed by this arrow here, like this, right? Let me see. Yeah, there we go. In a case where these numbers are pinpointed by the arrow, it basically means that the group needs to go and solve those numbers. Here's a group, solve the numbers, and then come up with the final answers. And they know, knowing that in here where I'm located, for instance, just for instance, there are lack of resources in our schools. Children don't go to school with calculators, laptops, or cell phones, or any electronic stuff. So they use their mind to come up with the final calculations. This is where you will determine, you can check um, the comparison of students, check how well they can do in groups, how well they can think collectively, and assist each other in problem solving. And because now you have to also enforce the problem solving, and then engage. So like learners needs to engage. Like if ever there's something that they have to do at school, and then to make sure that they they grab something at the end of the day, they have to make sure that they work collectively. Now spinning is fun, um, and enjoyable at the same time. It's very fun and enjoyable. So something that kids enjoy, they want to do it over and over. They want a repetition of it. So if this will can be brought maybe twice a week or once a week, um, depending on each subject, whatever subject it may be. It can be maths, can be physical sciences, it can be geography, it can be any subject. Mind you, now this will the will is very it's a very good tool for teaching and learning, because they get to check on different each group has their own problem to solve. They cannot say that that group has got our answers and stuff, or our questions and stuff. Each group has got to get their own problem to solve, and everyone in the group needs to engage so that they can make sure they achieve. That is the best thing they can do. So now, I believe that I have I have come with the good tool to assist kids to improve their critical thinking, and then enhance deep learning. Now, it's all about making sure that kids do not forget what they have learned at school, and practice what they have learned at school also. So again, this is for adults. It can be used in the foundation phase. It can be used in intermediate phase, senior phase, or even in workplaces. It's very fun and amazing. I can even spin now and then enjoy the calculations after alone. I can do it alone and then enjoy the calculations. It's very fun inside the classroom. It will improve the teaching and learning, because they can also kids also practice this at home. If they see this tool inside the classroom, they want to go and check it at home if they can do it better, and practice the calculations. Do some work in there, and then try to check if they are getting to a close one. But thank you so much for listening to my presentation. See you on the other side. Thank you.